Hello friends, welcome to Support Grow. In this video, I am going to show you how you can restrict content on WordPress website. Means how you can allow users to be only read that content which are access to that users. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, you need to log in as a WordPress admin in WordPress admin panel. So here you can see I have already logged in my WordPress admin panels, and then you need to go to plugin sections, and you need to install a plugins, and then click on add new, and here you can search like member, right? And then scroll down. I want to show you. Okay, okay, let's search restrict user, type restrict user. Yeah, so here you can see there is a plugins called restrict user access membership and content protections. You need to install these plugins because I have already installed this. So install button is not displaying, but it is still deactivate. I need to activate this. So you can just see buttons like this, install now. So you just click on install now buttons for these plugins, and then click on activate now. Now this plugin has been activated, and here you can see we are on restricted users plugin space, and here you can see like I have already created. Let me remove this, and let me remove this as well. Okay, now we are going to create a new user access. So let's see. Here you can click on add new, click on add new buttons, and then enter your name like users. Okay, and then here on side membership only access, you need to select what like going to restrict. Let's say pages. Okay, then you need to select like this pages, like you are going to apply for all pages these rules, or you need to apply for a specific pages. So let me first check which pages we are going to apply so we can track it. Let's see table. We are going to like restrict on tables. So type table. Okay. Okay. Let me remove this, and let's see docs. Click docs, and then select table. So here you can see this is table wizard, and here you can see table. Okay, so let me see if we can again tab widget. There is tab, no, tab is not there. So let's see elements, layout, footprint. Okay, okay, so let's see. I'm going to like tab widget, I'm going to table widget and tab widget. I'm going to restrict this and according widget and remove this one, table widgets. So this is the like two pages we are going to restrict so that only these users can see. Then go to members, and here nothing, like you need to select roles, which roles can see. So here you need to define which users roles can see. So let's see called customer can access this space. And then here you can see capabilities. You in capabilities you need to define what users can do on that page. So let's see, users can only read. So let's grant access for readings. So now this is reading access is also granted. Then you need to define options here like hide admin toolbar so that users cannot access admin toolbar. So deny access to admin area, deny access to deny access to unprotected contents. If you want to like deny access to unprotected, then you can enable. But if you don't want, then you can just make it disables or as of now. And then here you can see like redirect access, like where you suppose users is not logged in, and if they click on that, then where you want to redirect that users. So let's say I'm asking users to click on sign in page, go back to sign in page and sign in first, and then come back. Here you can see like expert durations, how much this access could be, like how many days users can access this page. So let's say three, you can define the days in weeks, in months, in years. So let's say 3 months, and just save it, like create it. So here you can see the users is created. Let me show you. Go back to access control, go back to the users. Okay, it's created here, and then go back to the access labels. So here you can see user is created, and one access granted. Now we need to like this access label we need to define on pages. So uh, let's say go to appearance section and click on menu, and here inside menu, let's say on table side, we can define access label to like users. Only users can use this menu options, and save this menu. Now open this site in incognito mode and let's see. So see, tables is not displaying because this is public. I'm not logged in as any users, but here you can see the logged in as admin, so tables is displaying. But here see, logged in, sorry, not logged in as, uh, this is like public page, so on public page we are not able to access. But if you log in, let me logged in so I can show you. Mm, so now see, I have just logged in as users, and here you can see table is displaying, right? So this way you can define like restrict content on basis of users. So once you logged out, right, so here you can see a logged out users will not able to see that options, but once you logged in, then you will able to see that options and able to access that content. So this is how you can restrict content on WordPress website. I hope you understand it. Thanks for watching.